20,000.
Every 7 market days, the women of Efero Delta states always come to this market to sell their wares. From household items, food stuff, seafood, meats, different items are being sold in this market. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing and taking you around the market to see the prices of goods and cost of items, food stuff, especially in this particular African market today. Now, guys, let's tour and go to this market and see how things are being done in this particular market. You can actually buy anything that you want in this market, but the difference is that the cost of items, food items, is actually expensive in this market. So if you are coming, you need to have your money. Make sure that you are coming with your money in this particular market. Guys, let's go into this market and see what is happening in this particular market. As you can see, the new yam is almost out and the yams are very, very expensive. The big new yam there, the woman says she's selling it for 2,000 naira per one pair. And the smaller one goes for 1,800. It is quite expensive, honestly, to buy this yam right now at that particular price. In fact, I noticed that this is not a season for cucumber because this man was selling 4 pieces of cucumber for 1,000 naira. Honestly, before you can get that particular cucumber for like 500 naira, but it's now 1,000 naira. And moving around the market, we hardly saw any cucumber in this particular market today. And the pawpaw that Mama was holding in her hands is going for 600 naira. We priced 300 naira, but the woman said no, that the pawpaw is 600 naira. Wow. So comparing these markets, African market with your market anywhere you are, let me know in the comment section if this market is less cheaper, lesser prices than yours. Right now we are in the shrimps, the fish, and this one goes for 5 pieces for 500 naira for the crab. These are smaller ones and it's going to help us to make some good tasty meals, as you can see.
For one, I give you 1.5. Then I have $2,000. How much? 2.5. 1.5 last, 2,000. The article. Fish. Only 115. I'm a king one okay, grasshopper. Which piece? Correct. Grasshopper. Fish how much?
500.
This one go. 10,000. You said this. Hello? Hello, my girl. Wait. 2,800.
For you, you are meant to remove fibroid. Other in this 2 months.
Anyway, I follow you for back. How much be the last? Which one for my new
Now prevention for every Ebola.
If you say they disturb you for your house, so sharp.
All na 500. Mama, this tiny phone 1,000 naira. Wahala. Which one be 500? This small one. Hey, should I get them? Oh yeah, give me. Mama, wait. Hey, not soft, it's strong. It's strong, wait, don't my buy. Mama, wait. Give me the 400. This 100 naira they cry you. You don't get that one. What about this? How much? But you know fine. How much? How much? 500. I'm on the team no day. You won't have to see sir. Apart from saying that. See, now under probability. oh. Got the egg now, how much? Mama, buy it.
I think another Mexico where they go match.
Maybe water down there, okay, I get what's that. If I see another one, you get also that leaf. You don't finish. And that one go cost. 500. How much? Which one? 1,500. Which one be 500? 500. You are waiting for plates in coffee. All this one. On one side. For how many? This one also. 2,000. This one, madam. That one 4. Oh. How much last, madam? You know waiting to buy. This one last. They say 1,000. No, I mean this one. They can wear it. No. That's what I said. Madam, I give you one. Hey, me come out something now. How much you give me? Madam Plate. I'm ready. I'll give you 800. How much? I think I want you. What? No one has given me the way that I think to put on 1,000. Don't give me 1,000 now. Well, that's good. I know they sign and they buy it. You know they farm. No, they buy. People they farm, they say, you know, they.
That was where they cut our one. If you this one here, I like a plant washi. That's how they say
you don't graduate now.
120,000 the bag now. One was just 120.